Welcome to the Douglas model. This beautiful one-story home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a private study that can also option as a 4th bedroom, an upscale kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and an expansive center island that overlooks the great room and elegant dining room with sliding door access to the included covered patio that provides fabulous outdoor living space. The owner's suite of the Douglas includes a private bathroom retreat featuring a large step-in shower, a dual-sink vanity, and a huge walk-in closet. This amazing new home also includes a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-bay garage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the Douglas is Wi-Fi certified and also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you have come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.